Oh my gosh, babe!
Oh my god.
What the f***? Seriously? What the f*** is that? What the f*** is that? Seriously? No, come on. What the f*** is that? What the f*** is that, Paul?
There's no... Hey! What's up?
What the f***?
No, it's not that. It's not that. I promise. I swear to God. I'm sorry.
Surprise!
Oh my God.
Who the fuck is this? Become friends, Lance?
Yeah.
Really?
What the fuck is...
Get out! What the fuck is your problem?
Stop! 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 There's fucking glass everywhere! I didn't see
Lizzie, I'm sorry. Lizzie.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! His name is John C.
Whoa. What the... Hey! Yeah. What the fuck? I'm gonna fuck your ass close. What the fuck? I'm gonna fuck your ass close. What the hell?
What the hell is this? Are you... I cannot fucking believe what I just saw. It's not fucking funny. What the hell do you mean somebody sees that? You guys are so fucking bad. So close to each other. You without a fucking trip. Shiny! Swear to God. You out of all the guys in the world, you hate my boyfriend. You're not even my boyfriend. You're never gonna fucking... Oh!
Shit!
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. And you know I'm not scared.
Chill, baby.
And you do. Tell me the truth.
That's just loaded. That's my gun.
I don't care if it's loaded, if it's your gun. I don't care anything.
Chill.
Tell me the truth.